Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and this is building Star Wars' R2D2 from DeAgostini. This is issue 60, so we're approaching 2/3 of the way through. In this issue we've got some more plastic plug hold screw covers, one part for the dome, apparently a shoulder assembly, a nice little meaty piece of metal, and a wire which is used for one of the display panels. Now, last time did say we've completed the leg. This time it says we've completed the leg. So yeah, basically we've got to put the plugs on the leg, and the connector goes on to one of the bits that I haven't got unpacked. Knew I was going to need something. I've got a little box of my electronic pieces. Right, there we have it. Now for some reason I've already got a wire in that. That must have been from testing. So you obviously don't need that. We'll get rid of that. And we'll use the wire that's just been provided, and we'll get that plugged in instead. Obviously they don't need the longer wire in it, so that's that. If you want to test the display, you can plug the lead back into the test board in the same way you did in stage 22. I will go back and do that just to make sure it works, make sure the wire works basically. But yeah, that's that. That's nice and easy. Apparently we're not using that or that quite yet. The only part to do on this build now is put the little plugs onto the screw holes on the leg. Now these, so I'm going to pull these off, because although I cut them off last time, it did still leave a bit that needed to be trimmed off. So just for saving time, not that time is an issue building this, because there's very little to do every week, to be honest. I tend to say I get the 4 issues delivered every month, and then spend, I don't know, perhaps half an hour, maybe an hour tops, sorting out the previous bits and building it, filming it. So yeah, it's not exactly a time sensitive issue, this build. I think as long as you've got 5 minutes an issue, maybe not even that for some of them, then you'll be fine. So I'll move these bits out of the way, because obviously I don't want to damage any of those, and get the leg, which it said was completed but it was lying. Basically we've got pictures on here, oh excuse me, of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, very strange, 10. So what have we actually got? 2, 4, 6, 8. We've got 10, and basically we're just covering over all of these. That 1, 2, 3. Not so much a build issue, this one, as just a tidying up issue. Got all of those. Then we've just got not those ones, funnily enough. Leave those open. The one's down in there. And the 2 down there. So that is the end of this build. I'm just going to compare it to the other one, which strangely enough hasn't got 2 in there, but has got 2 in there that I had to shape. So maybe that's why they're doing those special shape ones for that. I would assume they're probably going to send me 2 for that I've already messed up, so oh well. Now I've got, what have I got? 4 shape ones. They must be for down here, and I've got 2. I've got 2 shape ones. So maybe they just didn't bother mentioning it. I've messed up in the instructions, but we'll figure it out. Right, I am going to go away and actually test this leg, go and dig out the instructions for the previous issue to make sure the motor and everything works on it. So you've seen me do that before on the other one. Assuming there's no problems, I won't come back and tell you everything's normal and fine. I will see you soon for the, well, next month basically, for the next issues that arrive, which according to the back of the magazine here, we have a couple of dome panels, leg fittings, and yes, I say the slightly shaped ones, so I'm going to play around with those and see what I can do with that to tidy that up. So as ever, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing and coming back for more and watching my ramblings, and I'll see you soon.